Good evening, everyone. My name is Nasruddin Tumagantang Nor, and my topic for today is Introduction to Machine Learning and its Potential Application in Construction. So, Introduction to Machine Learning in Construction. Machine learning in construction has garnered significant attention in recent years, expanding its application beyond traditional fields like information technology and computer science. With advancement in IoT, or also known as Internet of Things, and AI, or the artificial intelligence, the construction industry is now leveraging machine learning to enhance efficiency and productivity. Machine learning is a type of AI, enables machine to learn from data without explicit programming. It utilizes algorithms and statistical models to perform specific tasks. So, what do you mean by this machine learning in construction? So, when you apply these advancements uh, in construction sites, or when you apply this IoT, Internet of Things, maraming benefits, lalong-lalo na itong artificial intelligence in the field of construction. Dahil yung mga bagay na hindi kayang gawin ng tao uh, is sila yung gagawa ng mga bagay na yun. Kaya nilang gawin yun. Uh, for example is IoT, or Internet of Things, like water detectors, water leakage detectors, and etc. So marami pang Internet of Things na uh, pwedeng i-apply sa construction sites. So the next one is IoT and machine learning in construction. The combination of IoT, or Internet of Things, in machine learning in construction, making processes more efficient, decision more informed, and productivity higher. This technology provides valuable insights and practical intelligence that are reshaping how construction projects are planned, executed, and managed. IoT connects devices, sensors, and equipment on construction sites, generating a lot of data. Machine learning analyzes this data to find meaningful patterns and insights. It helps predict issues, optimize construction processes, and improve efficiency. So, like for example, yung ginawa namin sa research is water leakage detector. Uh, we used these sensors, this type of sensors, the Arduino Uno, and there's so much more na sensors na ginamit namin dun sa device namin. So, the purpose of these sensors is it can predict and analyze problems, and can also optimize the device. So parang ito yung nagsisilbi na nag-gather ng data patungo dun sa motherboard ng isang device, itong sensors na to. So kung wala ito is parang wala ring silbi yung IoT, dahil lahat ng IoT talaga ay gumagamit ng Internet of Things. So next one is, how does machine learning in construction impact the workforce? Machine learning in construction significantly impacts the workforce, offering both opportunities and challenges. It has become increasingly common in multiple sectors. Here are some key ways in which machine learning affects the workforce. So number one is automation and job changes. Machine learning algorithms have the ability to automate repetitive and mundane tasks traditionally performed by humans. This automation can lead to job changes and displacements. As machines become more proficient in these tasks, However, it is also create opportunities for workers to transition to more strategic, creative, and complex roles that requires human expertise. So, automation and job changes. First one is the automation. Algorithms have the ability to automate repetitive and mundane tasks traditionally performed by humans. So, yung automation is yung mga bagay na hindi kayang gawin or hindi uh, kayang pagsunod-sunurin ng isang tao. Halimbawa is yung mga accurate sizes ng isang gears. Uh, Hindi kayang gawin ng isang tao yon ng traditional way. So, kailangan talaga is merong machine or AI na magagamit doon. And when it comes in job changes, normal talaga na mangyayari yun kapag na-apply natin yung uh, machinery when it comes in when it comes in construction sites. Dito na papasok yung mga mechanic and some technicians. Yun, maraming madadagdag sa isang site compare sa dati na tauhan mo. Next one is number 2 is the skill requirements and learning. The integration of machine learning often necessitates a shift in the skills required by a workforce. As automation takes over in certain tasks, there is a growing demand for workers skilled in areas such as data analysis, algorithm development, and machine learning itself. Upskilling and continuous learning become essential for workers to adapt the thrive in the evolving job market. So, skill requirements and learning, uh, when you apply this machine learning and machinery in the field of construction, is especially the uh, AI and Internet of Things, it really needs it really requires skills, and you have to train yourself and learn for this kind of uh, work. So, kailangan talaga matutunan mo yung bagay na yon. So, especially yung mga AI devices or yung mga IoT devices, kailangan matutunan mo yun kung paano gamitin. So, number 3 is emerging job roles and opportunities. This rise of machine learning in construction creates new job roles and opportunities. This include positions such as data scientists, engineers, AI trainers, and expert in ethical AI practices. The demand for professional with expertise in machine learning and related fields continues to grow, offering avenues for career advancement and specialization, emerging job roles and opportunities. So, uh, sa panahon natin ngayon, unti-unti natin nakikita yung machine learning, or nag-emerge na talaga yung AI devices and IoT devices sa mundo natin. So, di na tayo magtataka kung madadami na rin yung data scientist, engineers and AI trainers, and some expertise nila yung AI practices. So, dadami na talaga yun na hindi na natin maiiwasan yan dahil papunta na tayo dun sa parami ng parami yung AI. Doon natin makikita yung mga AI trainers and experts sa AI practices. So, may mga traditional ways is maiiwan na natin yon. So, hindi naman totally maiiwan, pero karamihan sa traditional way is maiiwan na dahil meron ng career advancement and specialization sa construction sites. So, how machine learning in construction supports green building practices. Machine learning in construction plays a crucial role in supporting and advancing green building practices, contributing to more sustainable and environmentally responsible construction and operation of buildings. By harnessing the power of data analysis, pattern recognition, and predictive modeling, enabling various enabling various various benefits that promote energy efficiency, occupant comfort, waste reduction, and sustainable design optimization. So here are some key ways in which machine learning supports green building in practices. So number one is energy efficiency. So machine learning algorithm analyze energy consumption pattern, weather data, and building performance to identify opportunities for energy saving. By learning from historical data, this algorithm optimize HVAC systems, lighting controls, and other energy-intensive processes, reducing energy consumption and lowering carbon emissions. Real-time energy monitoring allows for dynamic adjustments and proactive energy management. So, energy efficiency is yung machine mismo or yung device na gagamitin mo. Halimbawa, gumawa ka ng device is siya na mismo yung mag-analyze kung ano ba yung consumption ng energy sa isang building or ano bang kaya niyang uh, capacity ng energy sa isang building or isang kwarto. Halimbawa, uh, may mga ganyang devices, I don't know, I can't remember it anymore, pero may nakita akong device na ganyan, kaya niyang i-read yung uh, isang energy sa isang household kung kuno babo na kaya niyang i-read yung isang kaya niyang i-read yung energy sa isang household mismo. So that's all. Thank you.